Hi, greetings to everyone. My name is Chioma Grace Umobika, aka Lady Chomi or Lady CG. Welcome to my YouTube channel. You people really miss me. I miss you people. Thank you for your calls. Thank you for your comments. The circumstances beyond my control, but I'm back fully for you people. Yeah, I am back fully for you people. Okay, what I want to discuss today is not much, but it's very important. Disability inclusion in politics. Please, I've seen the first batch or the first list going sent to National Assembly. Now the second list, I don't know. Am I not seeing? I do not see people with physically challenged or people with special needs or people with disability. We want to be represented. I'm pleading with the president. Please, I salute you, sir. BAT Bola Ahmed Tinubu to include us in the ministerial list. We want to go for the ministerial screening. Yes, we really want to be there, and we appreciate that you will do justice to it. We wear the shoes and you know where it pinches us. Please let us go there and represent ourselves. People should not talk about us. Everybody cannot talk about us. They don't know what we are passing through. We're asking the federal government, even in the state level or in the local level, to include us in everything they are doing. We wear the shoes and we really want us to be part of this politics, part of this dispensation, part of this government. Yes, if you really want to carry people along, we are there. We have what it takes. We are intelligent. So I'm asking the federal government to help us and do justice to it. Please, if you like what I said, touch my comment, subscribe, like anything you want to do it now. People with disability, we are one. We are part of the society. Don't be intimidated. Just voice out. Talk to people. Talk to me. If you don't know anybody to talk to me. So we thank you and really appreciate. Please let us be included in everything or policies that are taken to this country. We really appreciate. Thank you so much. It's still Lady CG signing out. Just me. Thank you.